maximize public spending, Globe has announced that its users can now convert their unused data to Globe Rewards points. These points can be used to purchase different products or services or can be converted to GCash credit. 1 gigabyte can be converted to 1 reward point for prepaid users or 10 reward points for postpaid users.
Let's say may hindi ka nagamit na 1 gig, isa mapa-expire mo yon, maaksaya, bago mag-expire yung promo mo, maaari mo siya i-convert sa points, mapapakinabangan mo siya.
Oo.
Sayang, walang tapon, lalo na sa mga ganitong panahon that naman talaga tayo nag-optimize at saka gusto natin sulit lahat.
The telco has also expanded its G-Plan coverage to add perks such as unlimited Consulta MD health consultation and a 3-month G-Insure coverage for dengue and COVID-19. A new urban tropical residential condominium will soon be rising in Dipolo, Mandaue City. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated has officially launched their latest development, Mandtra Residences. This is a 3-tower condominium which offers industrial and zen living spaces with amenities such as a wellness lounge, sky garden, jogging paths, pool, and chapel.
Though we may still be suffering from the setbacks and obstacles caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, rest assured that Mandaue City will prioritize efforts to sustain and raise the standards in business policy making as well as the investment promotions in the city.
The burnt Basque Cheesecake has risen to fame lately, and Chef Chele and Teri Gonzalez from Chef Chele's Kitchen have introduced their own version of this delicious dessert. Chef Chele has learned this recipe when he was living and working in the Basque Country, specifically in Arzac, San Sebastian. This special cheesecake can be ordered online on their social media accounts or at Quest Hotel and Enya Crimson Resort and Spa, Mactan.